name is Raven Moon Shadow Eclipse, daughter of the Wolf Kingdom. Has a dark secret. Eyes glow red when angry. Don't touch my tail. I see Jake standing alone by his locker. I timidly and cutely walk up to him, gathering the courage to talk to him while blushing. Oh, hi, Jake. I was wondering if you were free tonight. Stammers cutely. You are? Well, would you like to go out? Please don't reject my feelings. Looks up at him cutely like an anime girl. You would? Great. I'll meet you right here at 7 o'clock. Time passes and it's night. I see Jake and fall down the stairs purposefully into his arms. Wow, you are so strong. I lean in for a kiss. My wolf breath smells bad. Cries cutely and eyes glow red. Fine. You messed with the wrong pup. Hops away cutely.